What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. These are sitting here since New Year's, I believe. Last time I made a modeling kind of video. I posted a few others. This is kind of what this one is about. By way of introduction, I've done some video production work for a buddy of mine who's trying to get a off-road park off the ground, and so I figured I'm going to dust off my video production skills and see if I can't help them out a little bit. This stuff is, I'm not done. I'll do more, I promise. Look, I even recently bought some disposable stuff, supplies. Surprise! So this type of video just might not be as frequent as all. That's all I'm saying. I don't want to come off as sounding pretentious, like there's people chomping at the bit waiting for my next upload installment. It's just models, man. So again, by way of explanation or introduction, the video that I made for my buddy is it's a separate link. I'll put the link at the end of this video so you're not forced to watch it. You can if you like. It's long. It's about 30 minutes. There's 3 buggies that attack this really steep ravine. There's like a wall that they have to get up and over, and some tires and all these obstacles. One of them doesn't make it. The middle one walks right up, and the third one just makes it look like the easy breezy. It's pretty cool. If you like that kind of thing, check it out. I'll try to chapter it so that you can like go to the in the description part and choose, like, if you don't want to watch the whole front section. There's 20 minutes to the first guy. He doesn't make it. I don't know, spoilers, but if you can get past that part, the second one and the last one, man, it is super cool. So again, whatever, just trying to let you know, I haven't gone anywhere. There's some stuff that I want to put on here and get going pretty soon. This one will get some paint on it really soon, as soon as I get it. And that's about it. Again, Happy New Year. Hope everything's working out all right for you. Enjoy the video that's linked at this part on your screen. There'll be a box up here somewhere. Here? No, over here. Here? Here. Hmm. 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 Hmm.